Everyone, listen. Listen. It is time! And I present to you His Majesty, the Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration, and you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get ready to clap your paws, start your hooves, and ruffle your feathers as we welcome you to the Festival of the Lion King. Let the procession begin.
The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing?
All right, Giraffe, swing fast to the count of 3. Let's hear some noises. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, I'm in the sheep section.
I just can't wait to begin.
Hello? Hey, Tuckle Monkeys! Walk me over by the warthog section!
All right, what odds? Your turn on the count of 3. Let's go from north. 1, 2, 3.
My heart!
Let's hear some passion power! 1, 2, 3!
Hi, everybody. Hey, Pumbaa, Timon. Am I in the right section? All right, Lions, let's show Simba where he is. 1, 2,